doctor now.
I'm a barrister.
Now I am the Executive Director of Alibaba Hong Kong Entrepreneurs Fund.
I work for Zurich Insurance Company as the principal.
I am now an Associate Professor of Asian Economic History at Hitotsubashi University.
I work for the Geotechnical Engineering Office as the Chief Geotechnical Engineer.
I was the Director of the Board and the President of the Institute of Strategy Research in Huawei Technologies.
I'm now a scientist at FV in the United States.
I joined AECOM as a Vice President of Infrastructure.
因為我喺科大嘅嗰段日子咧，其實科大俾咗好多 exposure 我。如果我唔係喺科大開始嘅話，我係冇辦法攞到呢啲 exposure。
HKUST, I think more than any other university that I've seen, has been able to successfully take advantage of its youth to be a leading university.
即係一間新嘅大學嚟講，可以咁短時間，即係喺國際上面攞到咁好嘅聲譽咧，即係非常之難得。
科技大学在30年内就成为世界一流大学，尤其是评为50年最年轻大学的全球第1名，这是非常了不起的一个成就。
科大非常有活力，科大非常有创意，这是我们香港科技大学重要的一个特质，那令到我们一直可以保持科学的青春、创意的青春和这个研究的活力。
Students and also entrepreneurs from UST have a very global mindset and also they dream big, I would say.
The example to push boundary and be innovative, I think UST set up the first dual degree program in Hong Kong where the students like myself can on the one hand study engineering, on the other hand studies business, and I felt like our mind is constantly being challenged.
持續進步啊，持續改善自己咧，都係即係科大嘅其中俾到我哋一個好好嘅做人方面、處事方面嗰個嘅態度咯。
即係科大對我嚟講，我覺得佢似乎係一個嬰兒初生嗰個階段咧，係一個非常之強生命力，而有冇任何包袱嘅一個大學咧，或者一個生命。
Yeah, I think HKUST encourages lifelong learning. I could not have been where I am today without the education I received from HKUST.
在短短30年成为世界级的大学，那特别是香港科大培养了一批又一批的学子们走入社会，那对社会做出了很重大的贡献。
Congratulations to HKUST on its 30th anniversary. From my experience as a student and an alumni and advisory council member of the business school, it's always been memorable and inspiring. My classmates were energetic and diverse, the faculty world-class, the school visionary, and I especially enjoyed the campus.
但係如果我而家咁多年後，我諗翻轉頭，我會形容科大係 Hong Kong University of Self-Discovery and Transformation。如果冇科大，冇第一個 degree， 都唔會有今日嘅我。
Together we empower.
Together we empower.
Together we empower.
Together we empower.
Together, we empower.
Happy 30th anniversary.
Happy 30th anniversary.
Happy 30th anniversary.
Happy 30th anniversary.
Happy anniversary.